Estelle Day. I am in my director's chair. Many of you just watched my Estelle Day Beauty Box episode. All the must-haves that I keep in my purse at all times. And one of those must-haves is a polka dot scarf. My polka dot nails, aren't they cool? This is in honor of my fabulous grandmother, who's a beauty icon. She is the founder of JAFRA Cosmetics, and she was known for her polka dots. She was always wearing polka dots, and she always had her makeup perfect. She always had some extravagant hat on. Maybe that's why I love hats so much. But one of her staples was a polka dot scarf. I actually learned about polka dot scarves from her. This is a staple item. This is like a black t-shirt. This is like your favorite lipstick. This shall be carried in the purse at all times because there are so many different uses for it throughout the day, and it might just save you when you have a style emergency. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 4 different ways to wear this scarf. Number 1, how many times do you leave the house, you're wearing your hat, as I am wearing now, and you look in the mirror at lunch and you're like, oh my gosh, I'm feeling a little boring. Do you ever have that problem? Because I do. So what I do is I take out my polka dot scarf. If I feel like I kind of just like left the house in a hurry, threw on the hat, and I feel like I'm a little boring, or my outfit just needs like a little bit more, my outfit needs to just pop, I take out my polka dot scarf from my purse. This is such a staple. And what I do is you can use it as a bow around your hat. And then you look super fabulous. Okay, this totally dresses up any hat you have on. It's amazing. And it just gives a little bit more style to your outfit for the day, and you can feel so much better. And then of course, you want to put on your polka dot sunglasses, and then you're looking fabulous. This is number 1. Number 2, you didn't wear a hat. Okay? And you're looking at yourself in the mirror and you're like, not having a good hair day. What do? You take out your polka dot scarf. And there are so many different ways to wear this. But number 1, you can easily wear it. You can roll it and wear it as a 1950s headscarf. And this is a finished look. So what I did is I just tied it, that's why I have a mirror behind me. I just tied it around my neck, and then I turned it, and I have these 2 pieces on the top. And then I'm like super cute and like way more playful, way more fun. My hair is back. I pulled a little bang forward. So if I'm having a horrible hair day, I can just use this kind of as a headband, and it totally transforms my look. And another way you can wear it as a headband is by putting all your hair back. If you don't want to put a piece forward, you could put all your hair back. Let me just show you. The second way to wear it is to put all your hair back if you're having like a horrible hair day. And then like the polka dots just make it, any outfit look cute. It goes with a blazer, it goes with a black t-shirt, white t-shirt, blouse. Polka dots will literally make any outfit look amazing and look classically beautiful. So that was number 2. Number 3. This is the easiest thing to do. Okay, so I'm wearing a white blazer, I'm wearing a black t-shirt. Earlier I had a huge necklace on. But let's say I don't have that necklace. Okay, I leave the house like this. I'm just wearing a white blazer, a black t-shirt, and I just get news that I have to meet with a new client. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to spruce up my look. I need to look a little bit more stylish. I'm wearing a t-shirt and a blazer. This polka dot scarf, you can just tie it around your neck into a bow. And look at that. Immediately, it made my whole outfit just look so much more stylish. Oh, darling. You need to make your outfit a little bit more stylish, a little less boring. You just put this on and I'm immediately like Karl Lagerfeld. Like I am just ready to like take over the world. So that is number 3. Number 4, the fourth use for this beautiful polka dot scarf. We need to take off our jacket. I leave the house. I'm wearing a black t-shirt right now. I have pants on. I look super cute, right? But like, again, like I'm feeling a little cold. I forgot to wear a blazer, okay? If you have a polka dot scarf, preferably made out of silk, because silk really keeps you warm, even though it's so lightweight. It's one of my favorite fabrics. It's warm, but so light, and it's amazing. You just take your scarf, you fold it into a triangle, you put it over your shoulders, and voila, you have extra layers on you and you look super cute. And voila, completely updated your black t-shirt. And check out this outfit. I mean, it's super cute. So many different ways to wear this scarf. And you know what? Okay, here's like a 5th way. It's kind of a bonus way, but like, if you spill some of your coffee on your clothes, if you spill some of your coffee, you have a napkin. You can always wash it later, but you have a napkin to just wipe yourself down if you spill a little bit of coffee. That's like the last resort. It's like the 5th way is like an emergency situation. So as you can see, there are several fabulous ways to use this scarf. And now I'm gonna take a ride in my 1950s car. And I don't wanna mess up my hair. So I'm going to wear it like a 1950s queen. So I'm going to put my scarf around my head. It will protect my hair all day. You are ready to take a ride. Take me away and I will never ever mess up my hair. Ta-da! So now I am going to go jump in my 1950s automobile and I will see you later. My hair is looking so good. I don't have to ruin my hair. So I got my polka dot scarf. When you wear polka dot nails, you just kind of want to, like when you talk to people, you just want to be like, oh, hello, my name is Estelle, how are you? Like I just want to like flash my nails at everybody at all times, right? It's like, oh, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Estelle Day. So, how's it going? I just want to like, when I talk to people, I just want to be like waving my fingers at them. I really recommend doing polka dot nails. It's super easy. All you have to do is do your favorite. I did navy because my grandmother loved navy with polka dots. And you just put little dots of metallic nail polish and you get the most amazing nails of all time. I also alternated it with some gold ones. But seriously, it makes you feel so fabulous and you just want to like you just, you're just always wanting to touch everything. And when you talk to people, you just want to be like, oh, hi, darling. Hi, how are you? You want to wave. You want to like be like, oh, it's hot. When you have polka dot nails, you just want to be like, oh, it's so hot. Look at my nails. It's just so hot in here. As my grandmother Janda used to say, each and every person has the right to reach any goal without limit. Don't let anyone tell you you can't, because you can. And if they do, just flash your polka dots at them and say goodbye.